Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Am I audible, Kanak, Dhruvash, Mishita? Yes,
Good
Dhruvash,
afternoon.
very good afternoon. Kanak, good evening. Mishita, good morning. Audible, am I audible, Mishita?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Kanak, so
Yes,
let's
sir.
come on screen and we'll start. Yesterday we talked about probability and we have done some questions on coins, 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coins. So we'll move to the next level. And before we start, what is probability, Nishita? And come on screen, everyone, please. What do you mean by probability, Nishita?
Chance of an occurring event.
Chance of occurring an event. What do you mean by sample space, Dhruvansh? Come on screen, everyone, please. Dhruvansh, what do you mean by sample space?
So sample space is all the outcomes which are possible.
Right. And Kanak, what is the formula or method to find probability of any event?
Favorable outcomes over total outcomes.
Perfect. Probability of any event is given by number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. Good. Vedant, welcome. Naja, welcome. We missed yesterday's class, Naja, but we just started with probability. Okay, Naja? Yes, Kanak on screen now. Suvansh and Mishta on screen. Good. So, you know about probability, Naja?
Not much, sir.
So, I'll tell you very simple way. We'll do one very good revision of probability, Naja, and then we'll start with the more difficult question. Okay?
Okay, sir.
For everyone, let's start.
Sir,
Yes, Naja. Please tell me.
is it okay if I keep my camera off?
You're
I'm
not
not-
okay? You're not well?
No, sir.
Okay. Once in a while, I'm okay with it. Perfect. So let's start. One question for revision for Naja and everyone else. And then we are going to do more deep, more level. Suppose if I say Naja, event is nothing but those outcomes which we can quantify, we can make it an event. For example, if I say toss a coin, so tossing a coin is event. Okay, Naja and everyone? When you toss a coin, what all you can get? Either you can get head, right, Naja? Or you get 10.
Yes.
So how many total outcomes are there? 2.
Two.
One is head, one is tail. Now probability is given by always number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. That we learned yesterday. Total outcomes. And this is one of the most important and most easy topic. So if you see, the favorable outcome will depend upon the question. Total outcome will depend upon event. If I ask what is the probability of getting a head or one head, if you see this, head, tail, this outcome is favorable, this outcome is not favorable. So only one outcome is favorable for me. So I can say probability is 1 out of 2. There is a probability. Correct?
Yes.
I'll give one more example, Naja. Suppose if I am saying tossing 2 coins, this is for everyone revision. When I say tossing 2 coins, what are the outcomes can happen, Naja? Either we can get both head
Or
we can
both
get both tail.
Or one
First
head.
head, second tail. No. So not one head. First head, second tail. First tail, second head. This is important. So on first coin head, second coin head. First coin tail, second coin tail. First coin head, second coin tail, or first coin tails and second coin head. So now total outcomes are 4. Agree? Now if I ask the same
Yes,
question, what is probability getting one head? So which outcomes you will consider? 2 heads? No, this is not favorable because we need only one head. TT not favorable because we are getting 2 tails. We need one head. This is okay, favorable, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
favorable. So how many outcomes are favorable? 2.
2.
How many total outcomes are there?
4.
The probability is 2 by 4. Okay, everyone. This is what we learned yesterday and we did a lot of questions. Today we are going to increase this level and we are going to solve. First, we've solved many questions on dices, then cards, and then balls. Okay. Priyanka is also there. Priyanka, how are you today? All good? Perfect. Priyanka is on screen. So everybody on screen except Naja, that's fine. So let's start. Now today let's solve the problem and everybody will write answer on chat. If I say rolling a dice, the event is rolling a dice. Please tell me, Vedant, when you roll one dice, how many total outcomes are there?
On my mic or in chat?
You can speak.
Okay, 6.
6 outcomes are there. Which outcomes are there? Either you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Everybody knows that? So everybody write the answer. What is probability getting? Not an even number. What is probability getting? Not an even number when you roll one dice. What's the answer, guys? Priyanka, what's the answer? Everybody write on chat. One of you will answer me. Priyanka, your turn. What's the answer for this question?
The 3 by 6.
3 by 6. Because which outcomes are favorable?
Sir, 2, 4, and 6.
Not an even number. No, 1, 3, and 5. We don't want even number. Means we want odd numbers, right? So probability is 3 by 6. Right, Naja? And everyone?
Yes, sir.
What is probability of getting? A prime number. Tell me, everyone. Kanak will explain. Everybody will write answer first and then Kanak will explain what is probability of getting a prime number on rolling one dice. Write down. What is probability of getting a prime number on rolling a dice? Keep writing. Tell me, Kanak, what should be the answer and why?
2 over 6.
3 over 6. Which 3 outcomes are favorable?
1, 3, 5.
No. Prime numbers. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. So 2, 3, and 5. That's why 3 outcomes, right, everybody? Yes, Naja, you are on screen. Good. Okay, where you get? So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So you can say, okay, Dhruvaj is also coming now. Good. Good. Naja, you're not well? Or you're having a lot of cold? Okay. You know, today it's raining in today it's raining in Jaipur. It's totally like foggy and totally very, very cool, but it's like a little bit of rain. Perfect. What is probability of getting? Neither a prime nor a composite. Mishita, you will tell me, but first everybody try it out and tell me your answer, then Mishita will explain. When you roll one dice, what is probability that you don't get a prime number, you don't get a composite number? Think about it.
So what is a composite?
One is not a composite.
No, what is a composite?
Composite number are those numbers who have more than 2 factors, like 4, 6, 9, 10, 15, 20, 24, 26, 30, 48, which is more than 2 factors. Prime numbers are those numbers which is only exactly 2 factors.
Oh.
And everybody knows prime number. Everybody understand now what is composite number? For example, 9 is a composite number. Why? 9 is divisible by 9, 9 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 1. 3 factors are there. So, the answer is 1 over 6. Mishita, how? Answer is correct.
Because 2, 3, and 5, they're all prime numbers.
Correct.
And 4 and 6 are composites.
Correct. One
So
is
one
the
is
only
the
number. You are right. One is the only number which is neither a prime nor a composite. You are right. Everyone is right. 1 over 6 is the right answer. Good. What? Thank you, Mishita. What is probability of getting a perfect square? What is perfect square? Who will tell me? Dhruvansh, you will tell me, or who will tell you what a perfect square means? Anyone can tell me. Priyanka, come on screen. Everybody is still now. Yes, Dhruvansh. What do you mean by perfect square?
Sir, it's like a square, but both the numbers are the same.
Right. For example, 25 is a perfect square because 5 times 5 is 25. 100 is perfect square because 10 times 10 is 100. 64 perfect square because 8 into 8. 50 is not perfect square because there is no same number, exactly same integer. When you multiply by itself, you get perfect number. So think from 1 to 6, which numbers are perfect square, which number are not perfect square, and tell me the answer. What is the probability of getting a perfect square when you roll one dice? Okay, Mishita, that is correct. So no, calculate the probability, Mishita. You wrote correct numbers. Good. So Mishita, explain to everybody because everybody is struggling.
The probability is 2 out of 6 because both 1 and 4 are perfect squares.
1 and 4 are perfect squares. Okay, everybody? Easy? Perfect squares? Those. Perfect. Tell me now, next question. What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 5? It's easy, but still. Write down, everyone. Naja will explain. What is probability when you roll one die, you get a number equal to or lesser than 5? Tell me, Naja.
So there are 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the total is 6 numbers. So 5
You
is
feel very good, Naja. If you feel difficulty in speaking, you can tell me. You can write on chat also. Very good, Naja. She is very dedicated. Good. Very easy, right, everyone? This is the easy part. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to make it more difficult. First of all, I want everyone to tell me, or any one of you tell me, no, if I change the event, no, I'm not rolling a dice. I'm rolling a pair of dice. Means 2 dice, right? So how many total outcomes are there? Anybody can tell me? Think about it.
12.
12, okay. Any other ideas? It is not 12. See, you get 1, 1, you get 1, 2, you get 1, 3, you
36.
get 1, 4, you get 1, 5. This is 36. Why? Correct?
Sir, 6 times 6.
Right? Or you get, I'm just writing not all, but you get 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Means what? First dice 1, second dice 1. First dice 1, second dice 2. Or 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Like that, all the combination you get 6, 1, 6, 2. So how many outcomes will be there total, guys?
36.
Everybody understood? Why 30 outcomes? Because 2 dices are there. On first dice, you can get 1 to 6 anything. Second dice 1 to 6, 6 into 6, 36. Or the easier way to calculate is 1 dice is how many outcomes? 6. How many dices are there? 2. Put 2. 36. If I put 3 dices, you can say, sir, 6 times 6 times 6. If 1 dice, that's it, correct? That is the concept, formula. 1 dice 6 to power 1, 2 dice 6 to power 2, 3 dice 6 to power 3. Coins also same thing. 1 coin 2 to the power 1, 2 coins 2 to the power 2, 3 coins 2 to the power 3, 5 coins 2 to the power 5. Why 2 to the power? Because 1 coin has 2 outcomes. So that is the shortcut to get any number of outcomes. How many outcomes you can find out for any event. Cool. So let's do now. So all of us know that total outcomes is 36. Now I want everyone to write question and the answer for this. What is probability to get doublets? When you roll a pair of dice, what is probability that you get doublets? What do you mean by doublets? Watch. Any idea what is doublets?
Sir, both the numbers are the same.
When both the numbers are same, those are known as doublets. Think about it. Tell me what's the probability. Okay, Mishita. Okay, Dhruvansh. I think you're typing mistake. Okay. Yes. Vedant, what should be probability and why?
Sure, I'm not sure. I'm a
What is
little
doublets
confused.
means?
Like
Same number on
the
both sides.
same.
So you get 1, 1 or
Yeah.
2, 2 or 3, 3 or 4, 4 or 5, 5 or 6, 6. How many outcomes are there?
6.
6 out of 36. Agree? Is everyone cool? Shall we make it more difficult? This is the easy part. Tell me any question now, because now I'm going to make it slowly, very, very difficult. That's why please ask me now. Priyanka, all good? Okay, so get ready. You everybody will write the answer. Any question, don't hesitate. So what is the probability of getting sum equal to 9? Means what? Sum on the faces of two dice should be exactly 9. Think about it. How you get 9 using two dice? Think in what different ways. Check everyone. You can use fingers. The God has given you fingers. You can say 6, 3 or 3, 6. This or this or this. Like to think about. You need to get sum equal to 9. What is the probability of getting sum equal to 9 when two dice are rolled? Write your answers, please. Okay, Dhuvansh. Okay, Mishita. Everyone, please. Kanak. You are going to explain this question, Kanak. First, tell Kanak, not the answer. Which outcomes are favorable, Kanak, to get 9?
3 and 6,
You can get 3 or 6.
6 and 3,
6 and 3.
4 and 5,
4 and 5.
and 5 and 4.
That's it, right?
Yep.
We can't get 9 anything else. So 4 outcomes are favorable. So probability will be, Kanak?
4 over 36.
Perfect. Vedant, getting the idea? See, you need 9.
I see what I did.
Perfect. But you are clear now? Naja, ask me.
Sir, isn't 7 plus 2 also there? Oh,
But can
right.
we get 7? We can't get, right? That's a good question. You should ask me. People should ask you all these questions. Very good. So we can get only 1 to 6. That's why these are good. Thank you. Next question. What is the probability of getting sum greater than 10? Everybody solve it. Priyanka will explain. Everybody solve it and Priyanka will explain. You're rolling a pair of dice. We know total outcome 36. What is the probability that you get sum greater than 10?
Can it be just 10 or greater?
Greater than 10. Question says, what is the probability of getting sum greater than 10? Dhruvansh, your answer is correct. Mishita, think again. I know what mistake people are doing. Okay. Okay, Mishita, no, you are correct. Everybody calculate. Priyanka, are you ready to explain? First, no, we will do it together, Priyanka. Unmute, please.
Yes, sir.
So, Priyanka, when we need sum greater than 10, what can be sum? Either sum can be 11 or
12.
can you get more than 12? No. Right? Because two dice maximum is 6, 6, right? So let's take. How you get 11? Tell me.
Sir, 10 plus 1.
No. On any dice, which biggest number you can get? You use the dice, right? You Ludo. Did you play Ludo or not, Priyanka?
Yes.
Ludo खेला है ना? Dice पे क्या आता है ज़्यादा?
Sir, numbers.
कहाँ से कहाँ तक आता है? 1 से लेके 6 तक. तो 6 से ज़्यादा आ ही नहीं सकता है. तो फिर 11 कैसे आएगा टोटल? एक पे 6 आ गया, दूसरे पे 5. करेक्ट? या फिर पहले पे 5 आ गया, दूसरे पे
6.
तो 11 तो हो गया. 11 आ सकता है कैसे? और थिंक अबाउट इट. कैन यू गेट 11 इन एनी अदर वे? नो. 12 कैसे आएगा बताओ? एग्री? अगर 12 आना है तो दोनों पर यू शुड गेट 6 ऑन बोथ और नॉट, प्रियंका. सो डाइस यूज किया तुमने ना? यू हैव यूज्ड डाइस, राइट? कौन सा गेम खेला है बताओ डाइस से तुमने? लूडो खेला है, स्नेक लेडर खेला है, क्या खेला है बताओ?
Sir, Ludo and snakes and
हाँ,
ladder.
तो 1 से 6 ही होता है ना डाइस, तो 12 चाहिए तो दोनों पे 6 आना तभी 12 आएगा, राइट? सो हाउ मेनी आउटकम्स आर देयर नाउ? 1
3.
2 3 out of how many?
36.
The probability is 3 by 36. ठीक है प्रियंका? Is everyone clear? Kanak, Dhruvansh, good. So problem is this. Next question. What is probability of getting sum less than 5? Think about it, everybody. Dhruvansh will solve this. Everybody solve first. Dhruvansh will explain. What is probability of getting sum lesser than 5? Okay, Mishita. These are medium level questions. They will go to hard and then very, very hard. Okay. It's all about thinking so much. Probability is all about modern maths. Maths with reasoning. Dhruvansh, are you ready? First, tell
Yes,
what
sir.
outcomes, okay, what sums are favorable. Sum can be,
1, 1.
no, we'll come to that. Sum can be either 2, 3, or 4.
Yeah.
Tell me the outcomes now. 1, 1, 4, 2, okay.
Then 2, 1.
2, 1, 4, 3.
3, 1.
Okay, you're going other way. Okay, 3, 1.
Then 2, 1.
You said 2, 1 already.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Then there is 3, 1. 1, 3.
1, 3. Then
And 2, 2.
2, 2. Got it, everybody? These are the outcomes which can give you either 2, 3, or 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes are favorable to us. We can say probability is 6 over 36. Which one you missed, Vedant? Which one you missed, Naja?
Sir, I thought the sum has to equal 5, so
But I said less than 5. Okay.
yeah, I didn't read that.
But are you clear now?
Yes.
Good. Naja, which one you missed?
Sir, 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2. Very easy to do. So, this is. Let's do one more question on this. What is probability that sum is not equal to 8? Okay, let's see very difficult now. What is probability that sum is not equal to 8? No, there are two ways of doing it. One, you find out sum can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, right? Too much time. What is the other way? Can you tell you the other way? Yes, Mishita?
Count the ones that do equal to.
First, you find out how many outcomes are there which equals to 8. And then what? After that, what? Mishita wants to solve it first and then tell. So, Mishita, you will explain this question from start to end, okay?
Sorry?
You are going to explain this question to everyone. So, we'll say non-favorable outcome, or first we write non-favorable. Ulta, we are doing ulta question now. Non-favorable outcomes. Which outcomes are not favorable, Mishita?
2, 6.
2, 6, because if you get 8, it's not favorable. So 6, 2 also, right? 2, 6 and 6, 2. Then
3, 5.
3, 5. So 5, 3 also. Then
4, 4.
4, 4. So how many outcomes are not favorable?
5.
5 outcomes are not favorable. Now, how does it help you to solve this question? How many outcomes are favorable then?
31.
Got it, guys? Total outcome is 36. Out of that, 5 are not favorable. So she used the other ulta method, right? First, find out not favorable. That is the fastest way to do it. Got everybody? Dhruvansh, Naja, Priyanka, Vedant, Kanak. You have to always think about which is the fastest way. Otherwise, you calculate sum equal to 2, sum equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Too big, right? Do reverse. Find out how many outcomes where sum is equal to 8. 5 outcomes. So out of 36, 5 outcomes are having equal to 8. So remaining 31 outcomes will be. So the right answer for this question is 31 by 36. All good? Shall we make it more difficult now? What is the probability of think about it, prime number on both dice? Think about it and tell me. It's not difficult, but still think. You need to have prime number on both the dice. Okay,
Sir.
Dhruvan showed his answer.
Sir,
Yes, please.
do they have to be the same on both?
It can be same, it can be different, doesn't matter. Question says prime number, so you have to think about it. Question just say prime numbers on board. It doesn't say same prime number, it's a prime number.
Okay.
Okay, so Dhruvan gave his answer, Nishita gave his answer, both answers are different. One of them is right, one of them is not right. Now I'll not tell who is right or is not right. Okay, fine. One of you said mine is not correct. Fine. Everyone keep thinking and write your answer. Kanak, Vedant, everyone.
Sir,
Yes, please.
are you getting my messages?
I have not got your message now from last week's question. No. Just say hi. No. No, means like some. No, I'm not getting your message, Kanak, now.
I'll just leave and rejoin.
Yes, please. So Mishita has gave her answer, Dhruvan gave his answer. No, both are same. Okay. Both are correct. Others, please. Priyanka, Raja, Vedant. We need prime number on both the dices. So think about it. Vedant is going to explain this. Okay, Vedant, we'll do it together. Okay.
Okay.
Question is prime number on both the dice. Kanak, welcome back. Check is your chat works or not. Let Kanak come first. Yes, Kanak, I can see your message. Perfect. Come on screen and let's start. So, Vedant, when is a prime number on both the dice? Let's start with which outcomes are favorable.
2,
2 and
3,
why not 2, 2?
or 2, 2, sorry, yeah.
2. Then 2
2,
and
3,
2, 3. Then 2 and
2 and 5.
so we are done with all the 2's, right?
Yeah.
So start with 3.
No,
3
wait,
and,
I think, wait. Yeah, okay.
so 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. No, start with 3.
Yeah.
3 and
3, 2,
3, 2. Then
3, 3,
then
3, 5.
you done with all the 3's.
Yep.
Now
5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5.
tell me any other outcome is required or this is enough?
Enough.
That's it. How many outcomes are there which are favorable?
There is 9.
Probability
9
is,
and 36.
that's it. Easy, right, guys? Thank you, Prism. Priyanka, all good? Probability of getting prime number on both the dice is 9/36. Now tell me, if you all are very good here, can I ask you a difficult question? This is mid-level. You want to take up a challenge? No, this is not your level, at a higher level, but shall I ask? What is the probability that n1 is greater than? Actually, what does it mean? What is the probability that number on first dice is always greater than number on second dice? Think about it. What is the probability number on first dice is always greater than number on second dice? Okay, Dhruvansh was first. Okay, Rivansh, let's see. You may be right. I'm not sure. Let's check. But very fast, Rivansh. Okay, Kanak. Let's see. Number on dice 1 should be always greater than number on dice 2. Okay, Mishita and Dhruva's answer is same. Number on dice 1 is greater than number on dice 2. Think. Little difficult this one. And this is the last question on dice, and then I'm going to move to cards. Yesterday I told you to play cards or to try cards. How many of you seen the cards yesterday? Okay, Dhruva's tried. Good. Mishita is anyway expert. This is a very high level question, Mishita. And you have done it good. It can be more difficult, but this is good level for you in this class. So, who will explain me this question? Any volunteer to explain this question? Let's say dice 1 and dice 2. Okay? Shall I explain it? If no one is willing. We want number on dice 1 should be more than number on dice 2. Let's say you get 6 on dice 1. So tell me on dice 2 what all possible? Either 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Correct or not? Means you can say the outcomes are 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2 and 6, 1. This will outcome favorable for this or not? Because when dice 1 is 6, dice 2 has to be lesser than that. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Agree with these outcomes? When dice 1 has 5, what all can come on dice 2? Mishita? If dice 1 has 5, what all can come on dice 2?
4, 3, and 2, and 1.
Correct? So the outcomes will be 5, 4 is good, 5, 3 is good, 5, 2 is good, and 5, 1 is good. Perfect. Tell me, Kanak, if you get 4 on dice 1, what all you can expect in dice 2?
4, sorry,
If dice 1 is 4, so dice 2 can have what all outcomes when number 1 is greater than number 2?
3,
3, 2,
2, 1,
right? Because dice 1 is 4, so dice 2 has to be lesser than that, right? So the outcomes now are 4, 3 is good, 4, 2 is good, and 4, 1 is good. Agree? Similarly, Naja, if dice 1, let's say, Naja, if dice 1 has 3, what all you can get from dice 2?
2 and 1.
2 and 1. So how many outcomes? 3, 2,
3, 2 and 3, 1.
3, 1. And Priyanka, if you get 2 on dice 1, so what you should get on dice 2?
Sir, 1.
Just 1. So which outcome is favorable now? 2,
Sir,
1.
2.
Correct? So now I'll remove this part because we'll only see the outcomes. We'll remove this part. This is just for explanation. So how many total outcomes are favorable, Vedant? This many outcomes are favorable, right?
15.
15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total 15 outcomes are favorable out of 36. That's the probability. Got it? It requires a little bit of thinking. See, probability is all about thinking what possible, what not possible. Yes, Vedant.
I'm still a little confused.
Please ask me. See, what is the question?
Number like the number 1.
Number on dice 1 should be greater than number on dice 2. 6, 5 means what? You're getting 6 on the first one and 5 on the second one. Favorable, right? Not.
Yes.
6-4.
Not favorable.
Why? Dice 1 is 6, dice 2 is 4. Why not favorable?
Sorry, yeah.
See, the method is what? Suppose dice 1 gets 6. So what all number dice 2 should get to make it favorable? Tell me, Ram. When you get 6 on the dice 1, so dice 2 can have what all number and what it cannot have what all number?
1 to 5.
Only 1 to 5, right?
Yes.
Because it cannot have 6. Because we need dice 1 to be more. So how many outcomes we can form from this?
15.
No, just from this, not 15.
Oh, from that.
6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, and 6-5, right?
Yeah.
So how many outcomes are there here? 5 outcomes.
5.
Next, tell me if dice 1 is 5, what all you can get on dice 2?
1 to 4.
How many outcomes?
4.
Good. Similarly, dice 1 has only 4. What is expected on dice 2? 1 to 3, right?
1 to 3.
3 outcomes. 4-1, 4-2, and 4-3. Like that, if dice 1 has 3, exactly 3, you can get either 1 or 2. These are all favorable outcomes, right? If dice 1 has 2, you only get 1, correct? And tell me, when dice 1, you get 1 on dice 1, what should get dice 2?
0 or nothing.
0 is not
You
possible,
can't
right?
get 0.
So, not applicable. So how many outcomes we have total favorable? 5?
50.
That's it. What it is. Cool. Dhruvansh, Mishita, how well? See, Mishita solved it correctly. Dhruvan solved it correctly. What method you used? Tell me, Dhruvan.
Sir, I have the outcome table of the 2 dice near me, so I just looked in it.
He made an outcome of all 36 tables so that it's very easy. Always gets it. That is also good way. In solving lot of problems. प्रियंका समझ में आया? नजा clear है? पक्का? Now let's do the cards. Naja, yesterday you were not there. Everybody played playing cards yesterday. Okay. Do you know what are playing cards, Naja? Have you played any time?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा game?
Sorry?
Which game you played on playing cards? I love
Cards
playing
game
cards. I
only.
played lot of games on playing cards. हाँ?
Cards game only.
कौन सा card? Card का नाम भी होता है ना? Tell me anybody. Just tell me what are names you know, guys. Playing card games.
Solitaire? I'm not sure about the name.
Solitaire. Okay. Tell me, Nishita. Everyone, tell me one name. How many games you know on playing card? I want to know. Solitaire is like online games I know. But what about other games? Yes.
Uno?
Okay. Uno is a different cards. Yes, Nishita.
Go fish.
Okay. These all are, you know what? So there are a lot of games. There's something called ship, something called bridge, something called rummy. Rummy you would have heard, right? A lot of games. So it doesn't matter. How many total cards are there, Naja? Everybody knows how many cards are there total, Kanak?
52.
52. Without Joker, we'll never consider Joker. Yesterday, Machita wanted to have Joker, but no Joker. Okay? 52 cards, playing cards. 52 playing cards. How many suits are there? 4 suits. Which are the suits? Spades, hearts. First I'll write clubs, hearts, and correct. Spades are black. Clubs are black, right? Naja, Priyanka card खेला कभी नहीं खेला है?
So, खेला है.
पता है cards क्या होते हैं पता है, right? Sorry, hearts are red. So tell me, Vedant, total cards are 52. Each suit, total 4 suits. How many cards in one suit? How many spades are there total?
4.
4 suits are there. In each suit, how many
Oh,
cards are there?
sorry. There's
See, total 52, right? 52
yeah.
divided by 4.
Oh yeah,
Heads will
divided
be
by
13.
4. Okay,
Yes. Spades
13.
will be 13. Clubs will be 13.
Hearts will be 13.
13. Now, who
And
can
13.
tell me without mistake first time which are the 13 cards? Very fast. Who will tell me 13 cards name quickly without mistake? Yes, Mishita. Mishita want to say. No? Mishita, what are 13 cards? Quickly.
A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Queen, King, and Jack.
Correct? These are the 13 cards, guys. All of you know this, right? I'll write all this. You take a photo of this for probability. Now, face cards. Face cards are J, Q, K. We also call picture cards. Then honor cards. A, J, Q, K. Take a photo of this now. So that if you don't remember, you can always use it. Now we are going to do probability question. I'll tell you what is the event. The event is, guys, we are picking one card from a deck. The event is we are picking one card from the deck. That is the event. So let me write here event. One card is picked from a deck. Deck means the full 22 cards, right? And we are picking only one card. So it's very simple. Now I want everyone to tell me the probability. What is the probability that the card will be hearts card? Tell me. We'll start with Kanak. Kanak, one card is picked out of 52 cards. What is the probability that we get a hearts card?
13/52.
Very good. Explain to please explain to all of us. I know, but still explain to all of us why 13 or 52.
Because there's 13 hearts, and that's all you
13
need.
hearts and 52 total cards. Good. Okay, everybody. This is the way you have to solve. Don't need to simplify now. Thank you. What is the probability of getting a black card, Najah?
So 13/52 because there are 13 black cards.
What 13?
No, not black. Sorry. It'll be 26. 13 into 2.
Correct.
Black.
13 spades, 13 clubs. Tell me, Vedant, what is the probability of getting a queen?
There's 4 queens, so 4 over 52.
Correct. Tell me, Mishita, what is the probability of getting jack or king?
8 over
8.
52.
4 jacks, 4 kings, 8 or 52. Tell me, Priyanka, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting face card?
So 3 upon 50, 3 by 52.
No. 3 face cards are there, but in every suit or not? Socho. JQK will win spade, JQK will win clubs everywhere, right? Agree?
12.
Correct. कैसे हुआ 12? Because 3 in each suit. 3, 3, 3, 3. 12. Cool, everyone? Tell me, Dhruvansh, what is the probability of getting red queen?
4 out of 50. Wait, 2 out of 52.
2 out of. How 2 out of 52?
There are 4 queens in total, so there is equal amount in the red and black ones. So 4
Two
by
red queens are there, one in hearts and one in diamonds. Perfect. And the most difficult question is for Mishita. Mishita, what is priority getting? Will I make it difficult? Prime number card. Okay, think about it. There is no hurry. What is priority getting a prime number card?
I'm 16.
Very good. Tell everyone how. You are right.
In one suit, there's 2, 3, 5, and 7 that are prime.
2, 3, 5, 7 are only the prime number card. 4 cards in each suit, correct?
Yeah, and then in all 4 suits, there'll be 4 times 4, which is 60.
Very good. Got everybody? Everybody write the answer for the next question. What is priority getting? Red or black card? You're picking one card from a deck. What is priority that will be red or a black? Write everybody on chat. Mishita, you are correct. Vedant, typing mistake. How many total cards are there, Vedant?
Oh yeah, sorry, typing
I know,
mistake.
okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. So the answer has to be, guys, 1, because 52 over 52. What else will get? Either red or a black, correct? Agree, Naja? The probability is 1 means 100%. It is known as sure event. I told you yesterday, sure event. It will definitely happen because when the probability is about red or black, you will get either red or black. There's nothing else. All 52 out of 52. Correct? So probability is 1. What is probability getting? A red card and a black card. Tell me.
Wait, when you draw one card,
Correct. You are right. Your interpretation of question is correct.
Wait, just one card when you pull one out?
Your answer is correct. Everybody is writing something. Kanak wrote the numbers. Kanak, your answer is correct. Mishita, your explanation is correct. Vedant, your answer is correct. Dhruval's you is not correct. Naja, your answer is correct. Vedant, explain to everybody. You are correct.
You can't get more than one color on one
Correct.
card.
So you either get a red or black. Our option is red and a black. So no cards which match this favorable outcome. Out 0 by 52 or 0. Correct? So Mishita, it is impossible. But you have to write the probability, right, Mishita? I know it's impossible event. But what's the probability of impossible event? Good. Cool, everyone. It is not 26 by 52. It is not 52 by 52. Dhruvansh, we want red and a black. Is it possible to get a red and a black both cards? We pick one card.
No, sir.
Unless your deck is special deck where you join 2 cards like this. Correct? Easy. Shall we move to more difficult now? Is everybody ready for challenge now? These are easy ones. Let's make it more difficult. Anybody any question before I make it more difficult? Priyanka, good hai? Chalo. What is the probability of getting spade or a king card? Think about it. Tell me, write the answer on chat. You're picking one card from a deck. What is the probability that you get either a king or a spade? Okay, Mishita. Okay, Kanak. You know, Kanak's and Mishita's answer is just differ by 1. One of them is right, one of them is not. I'll tell who. Vedant, okay. You know what? I'll tell you now. I'll tell them somebody saying 17 by 52, somebody saying 16 by 52, somebody saying 14 by 52, somebody 15 by 52. Wow. Good. We have answered 14, 15, 16, 17. Please tell somebody 13 also, 17 also. 16, okay. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have so many answers. Not 13, sorry. So think about it now. Who will explain me? We have all different answers. Priyanka, write your answer also. Let's see. We have a lot of answers this time. 17 by 50.
Sir, mine was wrong. Don't like that was it.
No
It was
worries.
the wrong.
No worries. So Priyanka, write your answer. What will you feel? And then I'm going to explain. What is probability that you get a king card or a spade card? Who want to attempt it? Okay, Vedant. Okay, Priyanka. Who want to attempt? Who want to explain? Kanak will explain. Kanak, how many spade cards are there?
13.
How many kings are there?
4, but not including the
You are
Spade.
right. 13 spades are there. 4 kings are there. But is there any common card between them or not?
yes.
Because here the king, one king will be included already or not, guys? Right, Kanak? Here already one king is included. So will you include 4 kings? No. You will include only 3 kings. That is why 16 are favorable, not 17. That is the, and only Kanak has done it correct. Understood, guys, the point? 13 spades, 4 kings. But out of 13 spades, 1 king is already there. So you will not count all 4. You will count only 3 remaining. Agree? Very good. So 16 or 52. Next question. What is the probability of getting a black card or a queen? Tell me. You get a black card or a queen. Nishita, Dhruvan, Kanak, all of you are correct. Good. That is called improvisation. Now you will understood and you are using that. Good, Naja. Naja, very good. Kanak, very good. Priyanka, write your answer. Priyanka, are you clear? Good. Who want to explain this? Good. Priyanka, you are not writing answers. Please write. Yes, Vedant want to explain. Yes, Vedant. Black card or a queen card. How will you do it?
So first, it shows us that there is 26 black cards,
Correct.
two pair of 13, and then 26 plus 4 queens, but there's already 2 from the 2 pairs, so or 2 sets, so only 2.
So because 26 is black, 4 kings, but those 2 kings will not count because 2 are already
Two,
good.
yeah.
Totally 2 kings will count. 26 plus 2 or 26 plus 4 minus 2. 28 cards are favorable. Very good, Vedant. That's it. Okay. Now we'll want to make it more difficult. More difficult. What is probability of getting? Neither a queen nor a king card. Tell me now. Let's see who does it correct. We're picking one card. I don't want queen. I don't want king. Okay. Please explain, Mishita.
There are 4 queens in the deck, and there
Okay.
are 4 kings, so 4 plus 4 is 8. And
Eight
you
cards
don't
you have to
want,
remove because you don't want that, right? So out of 52, these 8s are not favorable. Remaining are favorable. You are correct. That's it. Okay, everyone. Let's do one last question. Then we'll move on to balls. Neither queen nor a king. Okay. Next. What is probability that you get? Tell me. Think. Red prime number card. Okay, Kanak gave answer. Dhruvaj gave answer. Nishita gave answer. Dhruvansh will explain this. Dhruvansh, red prime number card means what?
The card is of red color and it's a prime number.
So how many prime number cards in a suit?
4.
2, 3, 5, and 7.
5
4
and
cards
7.
in one suit. How many red suits are there?
2.
So one is hearts and one is diamond. So 4 cards will be in hearts and 4 cards will be in diamonds, which are prime. So the answer has to be
8.
got it. Right?
Yeah.
Very good. Got everybody? Yes, Naja. Yes, Kanak. Yes. 8 over 52. Let's do one last question which is more difficult. Okay. Either an honor card. No, either a black card or an honor card or it's a difficult question. Let's try. Take your time. I'm picking just one card. Either I want a black card or an honor card or a composite number card. Think, think, think. It's a very difficult question, but you can do it. Look, try and break up black card, honor card, composite number card. You get it. Okay, Nishita, okay. Okay, Dhruvansh. Either black card or an honor card or a composite number card.
Wait, I did it wrong.
Okay,
So-
modify it. Probability. Probability is the topic, right, Taja? It's a fun. Okay, Kanak. So everybody's answer is different. Till now, everybody's answer is different. Let's see what. Okay, Mishita came in new answer. Okay. Let's see what Vedant say, what Priyanka says, what Naja says. Let's see. Okay, Naja got something. Priyanka got something. And all of you are having very different answers. Everyone has a different answer. And everyone is wrong. Okay, let's see. Everyone is different answer, everyone is wrong. Let's do it because it's a difficult question. We all will do together. Okay, everybody unmute, please. When I ask you, tell me. We want a black card or honor card or composite number card. Out of all these three, black or honor or composite, which one is the more? Black will be more or honor will be more or composite will be more? More number of cards will be in which one? Black one or honors or composite? What do you think?
Black.
Black. So how many black cards are there?
26.
Correct? No, we counted all the blacks. So how many honor cards are there which are red? Because black we counted. How many honor cards in a suit?
8.
In one suit, 4 honor cards, right? Shall we consider black suits? No. Black we counted all. So we consider only 2 suits of black, 2 suits of honor. 8 cards. Agree, everybody? We counted all the black, plus we counted remaining honor red. Now, if we have to count composite number cards, in which all suit we will check? Only red or only black?
Black.
Only, no, black we consider all 26, right?
All right. Yeah.
We'll find out composite only in the red.
Red.
How many composite number cards are there in one suit? Tell me which one are there. 4.
5,
Composite number. 4, 6,
6,
8,
9, and 10.
10. 5 cards. You are right, Vedant. 5 cards in one suit. We need 2 suits because 2 red suits are there.
10.
Agree?
Yeah.
These are the favorable outcomes. How many are there?
6, 7,
44.
That's the answer. It was tricky question, right? Very tricky. You have to think a lot in terms of, but always go from big to small. Biggest suit is black, 26. So no need to think about black. Think only about the reds. Reds on a red composite. Yes, Naja, please.
Sir, the problem here is that I cut out all the black cards, honor cards, and composite cards.
There's the problem. So you have done very good, Naja, but ulta. That's nice. You have got the question, but you just ulta. Very nice. Everybody good here in the cards? This was easy one or not? Or difficult one? I can make it much more difficult, but up to this level, if you do, it's very, very good for you. At your class, it's much good. This was very difficult question, right? Any question before we move on to the balls? No? So, hope you taken the photo of the left side because I'm going to erase it now. So, let's start. Questions on balls, which is very easy. A bag contains 5 red, 3 green, 2 what? Blue, and say 4 pink balls. Okay. That is what? The okay. Now the event is what? One ball is selected at random from the bag. What is the probability the ball will be red? A very easy question, try. Too easy question, too much easy question, right? What is the probability the ball will be red color? Tell me, Priyanka, what's the method?
So first the favorable outcomes.
Yes. How many outcomes are favorable? You are right, Priyanka. Favorable outcomes. Which outcome is favorable? Red or green or blue or pink?
Red.
Red. How many red balls are there?
5.
So five red balls are favorable outcomes, right? How many total outcomes?
4.
Total number of balls. Because you can get 1 red, 2 can get red. So total number of balls is the total outcome.
14.
So probability of getting red ball from pack of this is 5/14, right? Cool, everyone. Where is Vedant and Dhruvansh? Cool, everyone. Let's make it more difficult. 5/14 is correct. What is the probability that the ball will be not pink? Tell me guys, what is the probability of getting not a pink ball?
Sir, can I say
Yes, Vedant.
10/14?
10/14 is correct. How?
Because just subtract the 4 pink
Because we don't
and
want pink, so accepting everything else. So everyone
10.
10/14 correct. Thank you. What is probability of guys? What is probability of getting either a red or blue, but not pink? No, I'm making it difficult. It's an easy question, but I'm making confusing just for you to get confused. Okay. So think about it. Tell me what. But you're getting either red or blue, but not a pink. I could have made it simple, but I intentionally making it difficult. Tell me. Okay. So Mishita gave this, Dhruvansh gave this. Okay. Others, please. Okay. Okay. Now I'll ask you one question before answering this. Tell me Vedant, tell me Naja, tell me Mishita, tell me Dhruvansh. Is these two questions same in this case or different?
Different.
How is
Different.
different?
The same.
How it's same? Whatever. Mishita, you tell me what is how it's same. Vedant and Dhruvansh, you tell me why it's different.
Because in each one they're asking for red or blue, and they're not asking for pink in both.
That is what they are same in your opinion.
Oh,
Tell me
right,
Vedant
sorry.
or Dhruvansh. Okay, Vedant is agreed. Dhruvansh, is it different? Then how?
You see, like they're asking for blue and red in both of them, but not pink. So that means
Obviously, when you're getting red or
pink.
blue, obviously pink will not be there, right? When you're getting red or blue, so both the questions are same. I told you I'm making it unnecessarily difficult just to confuse you. So whether you write this or you write this, both are same. So now tell me the answer. No, everybody knows. So either red or a blue. 5 plus 2, 7 out of. Cool. Good. That is why a simple thing we twisted it. What is probability of getting neither green nor red and no pink too? Yeah, it's taking more time for me to write the question than solving it, right, Vedant? It takes 5 seconds to solve it, right? You all are right. We don't want green or we don't want red, we don't want pink, means you want the blue. Correct? Good. What is probability getting? What is probability getting a black ball? Tell me. Zero. So it is not applicable. It is zero. There is no black ball. In probability, it is not applicable. It is always 0 to 1 only, right? So answer has to be 0. Cool, everyone? Easy. Balls questions are very, very easy. No, we are not doing dependent, independent events because that is higher level. At this level, this is good for you. Let's try one more question, word problems. If a number is picked from first 20 natural numbers, what is the probability that it would be a prime number? Tell me. Try everybody and tell me the answer. If a number is picked from first 20 natural numbers, what is the probability that it would be a prime number? Think and tell me. And tell me, Vedant, Priyanka, Naja, Kanak, Mishita, is this easy or not? Probability easy or difficult? Dhruvansh. Probability is one topic where you can score very easily in any exam, whether school exam, college exam, or computer exam. You should always do probability first and master it. It's an easy topic. Kanak gave this, okay. Vedant and Kanak has gave same answer, okay. Dhruvansh has gave same. Kanak, Vedant, Dhruvansh has given same answers, okay. How many total number of outcomes, Naja?
So 20.
20 because from 1 till 20 are natural numbers. So favorable outcome means prime numbers. How many prime numbers? Which prime numbers are there from 1 to 20? Can you tell me anyone? Who will tell me prime number from 1 to 20? Yes, Naja.
So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19.
You are correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 20 is correct answer. All of you are given correct answer. Good. Very nice. If I change this question, if a number is picked from a box containing 4 to 17 numbers marked, okay, means box is there. In that box you have checked every cheat has number either 4 or 5 or 6, one each. What is probably what is probably that it would be a tell me.
Sir,
Yes, please.
does 4 count?
That is the interesting thing. That's why I wrote this. If a number is picked from a box which contains number between 4 to 70, not 4 to between 4 to containing 4 to 70. So what do you think? 4 and 70 will be counted or not? What do you think, guys?
It will.
It will be counted. Because I not between. I said containing 4 to 70. Since 4 and 70 both has to be counted. Okay, quickly people have modified it. So I'm getting different answers from, okay, good. And it's very interesting how many numbers you will count from this. Will it be 14 or 13 or 12 or what? That's the fun part, right, Mushita? How many numbers you count here? Will it be 14 or 13 or 12 or 15 or what? Numbers containing 4 to 17. Mishita, how many numbers will count?
14.
Correct. Why 14? Because 4, 5,
Because
6, 7, 17. The numbers are 14, not 13. But generally, what mistake we do generally? We always say 17 minus 4. No. 17 minus 4 plus 1 extra because 4 is also there. That is a common mistake many of us we do. If I say how many numbers are there from 3 to 5, Naja? If you just ask very quickly. Or let's connect. How many numbers are there from 3 to 5?
Sorry,
How many numbers are there from 3 to 5?
3.
So 3, 4 and 5. So 3. But by mistake we'll say 5 minus 3, 2. Correct? That's the mistake. Because it is always 1 extra. So if you have to count this, you say 17 minus 4 plus 1. That is the way to count. So the total numbers here are 17 minus 4 plus 1. Always do plus 1. So 14. So 14 numbers are total. What are favorite outcomes, guys? Priyanka, what are favorite outcomes? Priyanka is there. Either you can get a 4, 4, 8, or 12, or 16. Correct? So 4 outcomes are favorable. That's it. So easy. Cool. Probability is 4 by 14. It is not 3 by 14. Why 3 by 14, guys? It is 4 by 14. Cool, everyone. Any question in probability? That is what the probability is about. Okay? Probability is all about this. Now, that complete this week. Now listen very carefully. Next will be our last week of the classes. Okay, Saturday, Sunday. We have done all the topics we wanted to do. So there are two choices for next week. You tell me now. There are two choices for next week. Either next week you come with all the doubts for different topics and we can solve all those questions in the class. That is one way. Or second way, whatever topics we done, we can take one or two topics and I can give you more questions or more. Which one you will prefer? Next 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, we are going to do only about little revision, more doubts, what is, which way you want to go. Or you want to do new topics, also bring in. Last week is next week 2 classes is the extra one where we will discuss all your important points, doubts and whatever. You tell me what you want to do or how you want to do next week. Tell me.
So we do one of them on one day and then we do the other topic on the other day.
So you are saying on one day, let's say Saturday, you are going to ask me all the doubts, questions. And Sunday we are going to do some of the topics more in detail or one of the new topics. Correct? Agree everyone on this? Naja? Yes, Mashita. Mishita, tell me. No? What is your view, Mishita?
I don't mind.
Okay, so that means, guys, it means you have to try all the questions from our booklet, what I sent you, and see how many doubts you're getting. I want you to get a lot of doubts. Okay, then only we'll have a wonderful class, right? Right, Kanak? Don't ask many doubts, then what will I explain? So come with a lot of doubts. Or come with your own questions from somewhere. The whole internet is your, every book from your school. Get me any doubts, we'll solve them. Okay? See you next week. Last week of the class. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank
that's
you,
Okay,
it.
sir.